Buy something on Bricklink. In this video, we are going to learn how to buy something on Bricklink. So let's get started. First, you have to create an account. If you do not have a Bricklink account, you will need to create one. Visit the Bricklink website, the link shown in the video, and sign up by providing the required information. Then search for item, use the search bar on the home page to find the specific Lego sets, parts or minifigures you are looking for. You can also browse categories or explore stores. Then select the store. When you find the item you want to buy, click on the listing to view details. Each listing will show the item's price, quantity available, and the store selling it. Then check store policies before making a purchase. Review the store policies including shipping cost, payment methods, accepted and any other items they may have. Then add items to your cart. If you are satisfied with the terms and conditions, you can add the items to your shopping cart. You can continue shopping and add more items from the same or different stores to your cart. After that, proceed to checkout. Once you have added all the items you want to purchase, go to your shopping cart, review your order, and click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Number 7. Enter shipping information. Provide your shipping address and any other required information during the checkout process. 8. Select payment method. Choose a payment method. Bricklink supports various payment options, including credit cards and PayPal. Number 9. Complete the purchase. Confirm your order details and complete the purchase. If you're using PayPal, you may be redirected to the PayPal website to complete the payment. Number 10. Track your order. After completing the purchase, you can track your order through your Bricklink account. Sellers usually provide tracking information once the order is shipped. Now leave feedback. Once you receive your order, consider leaving feedback for seller. This helps build the reputation of the seller within the Bricklink community. That's all. That's how you can buy something on Bricklink.